Hello, Orient Addicts. Here's what I've been up to. My lightning protection runs down through there and bolts the keel so it doesn't blow a hole in my boat. It'll go shoot out the keel if I get hit by lightning. That runs up the compression post out the outside, and I'll show you where that is. Let me get my Corona here. It's beer 30. That comes up right here. And that goes there, where my mast fits in. So that's what I've been working on. And also, I put the finish coat on the mast. So, just a little quickie for the Orient Addicts, showing everybody what I've been up to. Tomorrow, I think we'll paint the hull if the weather cooperates. Everybody stay safe, stay corona free. See ya.